Welcome back, everyone. So, a good friend of mine brought me a tiller. It's a 1984 Troy Bilt horse, 20-inch. Model number 2412. Like I said, it's from 1984. He got it from someone else who was about to haul it to the dump. Why? I don't know. He didn't even run when he got it. But he brought it to me. I don't know if I can get it going, if is it worth it. So while he was here, I played with it a little bit. Got it running. Yeah, the carburetor was pretty bad. I took the jet out, cleaned it a little bit, put it back in. Sounds rough. Let's see if we can make any adjustments. If not, we'll take the carburetor apart and clean it. Let's go see what we can do. Alright, so there it is. Old Tecumseh engine. HH60 is the model number. So let's check this out. What do you think? Sounds better? That's all it needed? I'm thinking you're right. So, it's not so easy. That's not just it. Since it's so old, we're going to replace the belt. But that's going to be another video. I'll pull the belt off. We'll check that. To engage the PTO, it was seized up. I can move it, but it gets sticky. So I'm going to pull the tines off, clean all that, re-grease it. Again, that'll be another video. I'll drain the transmission, fill that back up. Again, that'll be another video. So, all right, take care. See you in the next one.